Oh, this is my seventh time here. Oh, I enjoy the crowds, and I enjoy the golf, the good golf, and the company that I'm with. I like Ricky Fowler. I think Ricky's going to end up with maybe somewhere around a -10, -11.
This is my first time at the Honda Classic, yes.
My second time. I'm in awe of the beauty of the course. It is amazing.
DeChambeau's going to win the Masters. Heard it here first.
DeChambeau. Heard it here first.
Getting some sun, hanging out with good friends, seeing the golfers really take care of some business.